What's up YouTube? It's Jana. Welcome back. This is another loaded video, so stay tuned and buckle up. Today we're talking about just how much Instagram pays me for making my reels. We're going to be looking at the earnings of the last quarter of 2022, which will include September to October, October to November, November to December, and December through January, which we're still in that current payout period. So I have the data in front of me and we're looking at the amount of views plus the amount of reels created, as well as that total that was paid out for that period. Also, I asked some of my followers on Instagram what they thought 1 million views on an Instagram reel paid out, and I got quite a broad spectrum of guesses. So we're gonna add that information as well at the end of this video, so you can see just how, I don't wanna say misunderstood, but how unaware the general public is about what Instagram does pay out and what is possible if you're a small business or a creator and you want to do this option. So in front of me are my analytics. For September to October, I got 1 million views for 10 reels. For October to November, I got 2.3 million views for 12 reels. For November to December, I got 1.1 million views for 19 reels. And in the month of December, which isn't finished yet, through January, it's showing about 103,000 views for 4 reels. Now, all of my reels are edited in app, which means I'm not editing them externally and then uploading them. What I'm doing is I'm going onto Instagram, I'm opening the app, I'm swiping through reels, I'm looking for templates or trending audios that I like, and I'll just use those, upload my content, drag over what I want to use in the video, add a transition and audio, text, clips, any of that jazz, and I'll post it in app. I'll use all of the options, like it'll generate topics, which are like basically hashtags where you can select up to 3 that are in the general relation to your content, and it helps provide that content to others that are looking for those trending topics. Also, I'll spend a lot of time picking my thumbnail. Generating a good thumbnail is critical. I almost spend as much time making the content as I do making the thumbnail. Now, before we get into the payout totals, I asked some of my Instagram followers what they thought 1 million Instagram views paid out, and here are some of their responses. It was all over the place. There was $1,000, there was $11, there was like $13, there was $1,500. It's all over the place. So that's why I'm making this video, so we can kind of just be transparent and you guys can understand what Instagram actually does pay out. So for the month of September to October, 1 million views for 10 reels paid out $202.01. For October to November, we got 2.3 million views on 12 reels, and that paid out $329.99. November to December, we got 1.1 million views on 19 reels, and we only got paid $210.38. And in the month of December, which we are still earning through January, we're at $108 for 103,000 views in 4 reels. I hope this video answered you guys' questions. And if you have more, please drop them in the comments or hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more analytical stuff from the back end. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.